All right, so here we are again with example 6. We're going to look at another sign diagram. So I want to look at, first of all, the key x values. So I'm going to look at factoring this. I'm going to have the 8, I want to have 4 and 2, and I want to have positive 4 and subtract 2 so that I end up with a 2 here. So positive 4, that's going to be plus x minus x. And I'm setting it equal to 0 to look for the key values. So x is going to be negative 4 or positive 2. So thinking about my sign diagram, I've got my x values and I've got the sign. Oops. So in my sign diagram, negative 4. So I'm picking a number smaller than that. That's negative 5. 0 would be in the middle, 2 would be here, positive 5 over here. And again, just picking numbers that are easy. At negative 5, if I plug that in, I would have negative times a positive. So that's going to be negative. At 4, it's going to be equal to 0. At 0, I'm going to have positive times negative, which is going to make negative. At 2, it's going to be 0. 5, I'm going to have positive times negative, and something is wrong here, because they shouldn't all be negative. Except that maybe they are all negative, because this parabola points down. I wonder where the vertex is. Let's go look at that one. So we've got, we had 8 plus 2x minus x squared. Okay, it's not all negative. I should have between 2 and 4. So did I mess up my solutions here? Did I mess up my factoring? 4 times 2 is positive 8. Oh, I messed up my factoring. So this was a good way for me to check. It could be possible that it's always negative. Although if it was always negative, you would not have any x-intercepts. So there's my problem here. So glad that I checked. Let's go back and fix this. So this is not factored correctly. So these solutions are not correct. So let's take out these. All right, so we should have had 4 minus x to plus x, so positive 4, and negative 2. So negative 2, positive 4. These still work though. So at negative 5 it's negative, but now at 0, 4 minus 0 is positive, 2 plus 0 also positive, so that's going to make it positive. So now it looks like I'm positive for values between negative 2 and 4. So that means my x values must be negative 2, less than x, less than 4. Which goes back and supports seeing over here, where I've got positive values between negative 2 and 4. So good to check.